Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to create a Amazon Prime Video account. So let us just type in Amazon Prime Video on our search in Google and go into the official page. Now in order to start registering, you can just press on Join Prime or just go here and sign in, and then you can press on Sign Up. Let us just press on Join Prime. Now just specify your email address and press on Continue. Then press on Create Your Account, then type in your name, also choose your mobile number, choose the country, then set a password, and then click on Continue. Then, of course, depending on which sign-up method you choose, if you chose with your account, if you chose with email, you'll get a confirmation to your email, but I guess not setting your phone number is not available. So if you get your phone number used in this registering process, you'll get a verification SMS to this number. If you use your email instead, you will get it sent to your email. Alright, so let's just choose the strong password and press on Create Your Account. Now just solve this CAPTCHA. Alright, start the puzzle. Okay, verification complete. And now, just like I said, as you can see, we will need to provide the OTP code sent to our email address. Let us do that. Alright, as you can see, this is our mail, as you can see, with the code. You go ahead back, paste it, and press on Verify. So as you can see, we still need to add our phone number, so just go ahead and do that. Choose the country code and insert the phone number, and then your registering process is now complete. And you have yourself a new fresh Prime Video account. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys if this helped, and see you in the next video.